Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Looker using Google Cloud Authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Looker using Google Cloud Authentication, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Once logged in, navigate to the API and Services section. Select Credentials from the left-hand menu. Click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling in the required fields. After configuring the consent screen, return to create your OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application as the application type. Enter a name for your OAuth Client ID that reflects its purpose. In the Authorized Redirect URIs field, add the Looker redirect URI provided in the Looker documentation. Click Create to generate your OAuth Client ID. Note down the client ID and client secret that are displayed. Next, log into your Looker instance as an admin user. Navigate to the Admin panel in Looker. Under the Authentication section, select Google. In the Google Authentication settings, enter the OAuth Client ID and client secret you noted earlier. Make sure to adjust any additional settings as necessary for your organization. Save your changes to the authentication settings in Looker. To test the authentication, open a new browser window. Try logging into Looker with your Google account credentials. If successful, you should be redirected back to Looker and granted access based on your permissions. If you encounter any issues, double-check your redirect URI and credentials in the Google Cloud Console. With successful authentication, your Looker instance is now linked to Google Cloud Authentication. You are all set to utilize Looker with Google Cloud securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.